always be prepared for a good journey or holiday. Are you gearing up for your next adventure? Whether it's a weekend getaway or a globe-trotting expedition, having a well-thought-out packing checklist is key to a smooth and stress-free journey. In this video, we'll guide you through the essentials to ensure you're well prepared for any destination. You can always download the full list on our website, Life About Money. Let's start with the basics. Travel essentials. 1. Passport ID. 2. Travel itinerary and tickets. Make sure your passport is up to date and that you have both digital and physical copies of your itinerary. Now onto clothing. Pack enough clothing for the duration of your trip, considering the weather and any planned activities. Don't forget comfortable walking shoes. 1. Underwear and socks. 2. Shirts/t-shirts. 3. Pants, shorts. Next up, toiletries. 1. Toothbrush and toothpaste. 2. Shampoo and conditioner. Bring travel-sized toiletries to save space. And of course, don't forget your toothbrush and toothpaste. Now, onto electronics. Keep your devices charged with the essentials: phone, charger, and any necessary electronics for your trip. 1. Phone and charger. 2. Laptop, tablet, and charger. Don't overlook miscellaneous items that can make a big difference. 1. Travel pillow. 2. Snacks. 3. Water bottle. A travel pillow for comfort, snacks for the road, and a reusable water bottle are all must-haves. Now let's talk about documents. Ensure you have printed copies of essential documents and emergency contact information. It's always better to be safe than sorry. 1. Printed copies of important documents. 2. Emergency contact information. Entertainment. Lastly, consider the entertainment factor. 1. Books/ebooks. 2. Magazines. 3. Travel games. Books, magazines, or travel games can make those long flights or waits more enjoyable. And that's it. Your comprehensive packing checklist for a worry-free trip. Remember to tailor this checklist to your specific needs and destination. Safe travels! You can go to our website and get the complete packing checklist.